Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how step by step you can apply for or you can create IRCC portal account. We know this new method where you can easily apply for your application under certain categories like study permit, visitor, transit, super visa and some more. And it's a very good platform because you don't need to upload any physical forms. Most of them you have a lot of web forms over there which are easy to fill up, and also with so much of validation that the possibilities of doing errors are reduced, but of course not omitted. So before I proceed further, I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So if you take anything out of this video, you do it at your own risk, and the information I'm showing you is available online. You can go ahead and check. So the first thing is to get the invitation code, okay, so that you can sign up for an account. So here you don't need to do much. You just need to put your email address where you are gonna get the code. So I'm gonna do it for myself and I'm gonna hide this. Okay, you get the code right away over here. So I have got this code, so I'm going. Then next comes is your invite code, email address, password and all that you want to use. So it's very simple that you can use, and then you can proceed from here. So I'm going to put it over here and I'm going to show you. Okay, so what happens after you put that information, it sends a code to your email address, and that code you have to enter in order to complete the sign up. So that's how simple it is guys, and I hope you're gonna like it, and I'm gonna put the links in the description so that you can check it yourself. Thanks for watching guys.